Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to our channel, The Butter Kitchen. Today we are going to make a classic Indian dessert Gulab Jamun using MTR instant Gulab Jamun mix. This mix makes it easy to make delicious Gulab Jamun at home without any hassle. So let's get started the delicious sweet recipe of Jamun. Come, let's dive into the cooking process. I'm gonna preparing a sugar syrup for the Jamun recipe. For that I'm taking around 1 cup of sugar, that is around 900 grams of granulated sugar. And with the same cup, I am taking 1 cup of water. Let the sugar dissolve completely into the water. We have to boil this for around 5 minutes to get the syrup. After 5 minutes, just add half tablespoon of ilachi powder into it for the flavor. If you want, you can add rose water too and keep this aside for some time. Now take a bowl and I am taking 1 packet of MTR instant Gulab Jamun mix here, which is around 175 grams. I am using the whole packet for making this recipe. So cut the packet and transfer this ingredient into a bowl. Along with this, I am using 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of maida all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of ilachi powder into it for the flavor. Mix all the ingredients together. Now let's take 1 cup of lukewarm milk here. If you want, you can use lukewarm water also. Add the milk gradually and we have to make this into a smooth dough. Remember guys, you have to follow this tip compulsory while making the dough. Don't add whole milk at a time. You have to add gradually and then you have to knead this into a soft and smooth dough. Then only you will get a perfect dough like this. So see how soft and smooth it is. This is perfect for the Jamun recipe now. Let's take 1 small lemon size of ball from the dough, and how I am showing here, squeeze the ball with your hands, press and roll smoothly and make this into a round shape of dumplings like this. So divide the dough into a small balls and shape them into a dumplings like how I am showing here. Now we have to rest this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the dumplings slowly into the hot oil. Make sure that you have to cook all the dumplings in only medium flame. If you cook in high flame, then the dumplings will turn into a golden brown color immediately and it doesn't cook nicely inside. So for the perfect recipe, you have to cook this in only medium flame. Once it turns into a golden brown color, remove the fried dough balls from the oil and soak them in a Gulab Jamun syrup recipe for at least 30 minutes. Normally I used to soak this overnight. If you want, you can just soak this for 30 minutes and you have as is. And the instant Gulab Jamun recipe is ready to enjoy now, and this Jamun is a popular dessert in Indian cuisine and is often served at special occasions such as weddings, festivals and parties too. It is also a popular dessert in many Indian restaurants around the world. So try it out and let me know how it turns to you. It is a very easy and delicious sweet recipe. For more videos, please follow my channel. Please do subscribe and like and share my channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.